Welcome to Beta Online Learning. In this video for the 9th standard CBSE Mathematics on the topic number systems, we are going to see the solution to a problem based on a rather tricky exponential equation. Let us go to the problem definition. This is the problem definition. This is the question. If 25 power x minus 1 is equal to 5 power 2x minus 1 minus 100, then the value of x is, there are four options given here. A, option A, 1, B, 2, C, 4, D, minus 1, negative 1. This is a multiple choice question with four options, out of which only one answer is correct. Pause this video if you wish to give this problem a try. And when you're ready, let us learn how to solve this problem. Let us go to the solution now. Here's the solution. We present the solution. First of all, we write the question again. 25 power x minus 1 is equal to 5 power 2x minus 1 minus 100. Now, as per the rule for the equations, we solve any equation, we have to transfer the variables to one side. So let us transpose the 5 power 2x minus 1 to the left-hand side with the change of sign. The plus becomes minus here. So we have 25 power x minus 1 minus 5 power 2x minus 1 is equal to minus 100. This is the first step. The next step is, while solving any exponential equation, we should make the base the same. Here we have 5 as a base, so we convert this 25 to 5 squared. We change this 25 to 5 squared because we have 5 as the base. 5 squared whole power x minus 1 minus 5 power 2x minus 1 is equal to minus 100. We use now the law, one of the laws of exponents, called the power rule, where we multiply the two exponents. When 5 squared whole raised to the power x minus 1, we multiply 2 into x minus 1, we get 5 power 2x minus 2 minus 5 power 2x minus 1 is equal to minus 100. Now, we use another law of exponents, the division rule. 5 power 2x minus 2, here it is a subtraction. So, we have to divide 5 power 2x by 5 squared. So, 5 power 2x by 5 squared minus, again here we have 2x minus 1. Here we have 5 power 2x minus 1 here. So, what do? We put 5 power 2x by 5 power 1. We leave 5 power 1 as 5 itself is equal to, here we change this minus 100 as minus 25 into 4. And now the next step, we take 5 power 2x as common factor out on the left-hand side, leaving 1 by 5 squared minus 1 by 5 within brackets. Equal to, on the right-hand side, we do another modification. 25 is written as 5 squared because we know that we want to make the bases the same on both sides of the equation. For solving any exponential equation, we would like to make the bases the same. So 5 squared, 25 is written as 5 squared minus 5 squared into 4. Now move on to the next step. We take 5 power 2x out, and we simplify the brackets. What is within brackets here? What is that? 1 by 5 squared minus 1 by 5. So we have 5 squared as a common denominator. You'll get 1 minus 5 within brackets. The subtraction of two fractions. Then minus is equal to, on the right hand side, we change this negative sign to the minus 4. 5 squared into minus 4. We had a minus 5 squared into 4. We change it to 5 squared into minus 4. The same the result you will get minus 100 only. So that doesn't matter where the sign is put. So we take it as minus 4 here. And 5 power 2x is common factor here. And inside the bracket, we have done the operation here, subtraction. It gives you minus 4 by 5 squared. Minus 4 by 5 squared is equal to 5 squared into minus 4. Now we again use the laws of exponents, division rule of law of exponents, 5 power 2x by 5 squared. So we write as 5 power 2x minus 2 here. Within brackets, we have a minus 4 is equal to, on the right hand side, we have 5 squared into minus 4. Minus 4 cancels on both sides. So we have only 5 power 2x minus 2 on the left hand side and is equal to 5 squared on the right hand side. We have reduced a complex exponential equation to a very simple equation having the common base. The base is the same. Note it, the bases are same on both sides, which is 5. So 5 power 2x minus 2 is equal to 5 squared. So when the bases are the same on both sides, we have to equate the exponents. Since the bases are same on both sides, we can equate the exponents to get 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. Here the base, the exponent is 2x minus 2. Here is 2 on the right hand side. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 2 is a simple linear equation, one variable. We can solve it very easily just by transposing and getting it 2x equal to 4, which gives x is equal to 2, and hence B option B, 2 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.